Hi, so for a while now I've been thinking, how can I get my phone to show on my computer so that I can show you some of these cool features that the S10 has to offer. Actually, the S10 Plus has to offer. And it dawned on me that the word that I've been missing was the word mirror. So I found a solution, actually, that will work, and I want to show you guys that today. It's called a Power Mirror. It's a software that you download off the internet and you can connect to your smartphone, your Android smartphone via your Wi-Fi connection. What you do is that you install the server for the software or a version of the software onto your Windows computer, and you install another version onto your smartphone. It is a free software that is available online that you can use. It will allow me to show you some of the features that I wanted to show you so bad on my S10 Plus. The problem I had was that I also have my Nikon D3300 that I use to record videos, but if I place a Nikon D3300 on the phone itself, then there is nothing really there to get a scene of the entire thing being explained. So the ideal thing would be to have a picture of my phone showing on my computer screen, and this software does that. This software does that for me. And so I want to demonstrate that to you today, so that you can see how that works and you can give it a try. Maybe it's something that you will also find useful. Of course, all of these ideas come to me from my thinking spot, right, in my hammock. So let's jump on the PC and I'll show you guys how to get that installed. I already have the software installed on my phone, and I could have done that also remotely from my PC. Once you sign into the Google Play Store, you're signed into your Google account, it does allow you to push software back to your phone once you have all that connected. So, all right. So one of the first thing we want to do is to open up Google Chrome. We're looking for, again, it's a Power Mirror. So that's the software we're using. That software can be installed on your PC, and you'll also install it on your phone to allow it to mirror your phone to your PC. So in other words, you're seeing what's showing on your phone screen on your computer, right? Which is what we want. So the download button is right here below. I have downloaded this file already, so it'll be marked with a 1 inside. Um, and I'll take you through the installation process. I'll start the installation process because I've done so, which I shouldn't have done. So what happened is that once that is downloaded, the next step then is to simply also install it on the phone itself and go through the installation process on the PC, right? Um, it must be on the same Wi-Fi connection. So I must be sharing the same Wi-Fi network because I'll be connecting via Wi-Fi. There's also an option to connect via USB, but you'll have to change some settings in your phone, which I didn't want to do. So I thought the Wi-Fi would be sufficient. And of course, looking at all the features of it, it is sufficient for you to use Wi-Fi to navigate around. Right. So after that is downloaded, of course, we install it. So I'll just pop here and just use the old one. Sorry. So I'll just use my old install. Click on run. Next. Okay. You agree to the agreement. Shows you a place to install. I can create a desktop shortcut if I want to. I don't want to do that right now. And then from there, it's installed and it goes through its process. Right? So once you have that installed on your computer, the next step is to get it installed on your phone, right? And I've already done that on my S10 Plus. So I want to now open the software, which is a power mirror. It gives you three options, one for a guest account, a free account, a VIP account. I was looking at the differences. I don't use Apple, so I don't need this connect via Wi-Fi on Apple devices. I noticed they offer it in their free account, but it needs a sign up. And then, of course, the VIP account is a purchase. I didn't go through the purchase price, but for me, I wanted to mirror my Android phone. I wanted to connect via my Wi-Fi using the Android device. I wanted mouse control. I don't need that. It gives it a feature. And I also want to be able to take screenshots if I need to, right? So, and again, this is if I'm showing you something on my S10 Plus, and I want you guys to see it and see how it's done. So I can also use that to create a tutorial to assist you in making tutorial playful, right? So I'll close this off because I'm going in as a guest, and it is asking to connect my other device. So let me get my phone. So I have installed the software on my phone also. So I'm going to open that up. First I want to make sure that I'm on the same network. Make sure that you're on the same wireless network. And then I'm looking for my app. And it's under Power Mirror. There's a button in the middle that allows you to tap the scan. I have scanned. It's showing up already as a power soft under my computer name. If I wanted to, I could have used this QR mode option and have the phone scan the QR mode. But let's do that because we can. So I'm choosing QR mode and scanning, and there it captured it already as quick as that. And now it's asking for permission to start capturing everything from the screen. So start now. And I'll just do later on. Because it's asking you that if you want to connect via USB for control. I don't want to see that again. My things that I want to show you is limited to just displaying, right? Good. So that is what is on my screen. Same thing that is here on my computer screen. So this is good. So from here now, what I could do is that I can show you some of the different features for the S10, right? Which is what I want to do. I originally did this because I wanted to show you guys some of the features for the S10 phone, but again, because I'm limited to the number of cameras I actually have around me, then it doesn't allow me to do this. Alright, so now you're able to see what's on my phone also, right? Showing up on the computer place there. So I can also then mirror my cameras, so I can use my phone to take a nice selfie or something like that, right? And both ways, right? So whatever I'm doing here is showing there alive. So you're able to use the software reliably over Wi-Fi. I don't see any, big delay why I would want to use it as via USB. And of course, it's because I have my Wi-Fi right at home. So that's it, So look out for it. My next video will be showing you some of the features of this S10. I love it. It's a sweet phone, and we'll go through some of those features in a few. Alright, so that's it. That's it for that tutorial. I hope that you found this tutorial useful. Maybe it's something that you want to do, or something you've been thinking about for a while, but you were not sure how to do it. So again, it's using a software called a Power Mirror, available for Android devices, and you're able to connect to your PC and display what is on your phone. It's nice for me in terms of doing tutorials. I can do tutorials from my phone now and have that displayed to you, right? If you found this tutorial useful, please leave a comment below telling me you like the tutorial. If you want to see more like these, let me know. Hit that subscribe button, trying to build my subscriber base. And of course, like everything else, go out and geek yourself.